If you give me 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I established my own business after being an IT professional making only $45 an hour. I want to show you how you can establish your own business and work with many multiple clients if, for example, you happen to lose your job and you need an ability to earn an income. If you are employed by a corporation or a company, I understand that you probably have currently existing relationships. However, if for whatever reason you happen to lose your job like I did, what I ended up doing is I established myself as an independent contractor, and I want to show you how you can actually open up your own business, determine your own rates and your service level agreement if you have any sort of specialty expertise or knowledge such as accounting, IT, web development, web design, graphic design, etc. If you have any sort of specialized knowledge, I'm talking about being a recruiter, you're a salesperson in that case. If you are a business owner, you're also a salesperson in that case. And I want to talk to you about managing your customer relationships in one online-based program that we have designed and developed to train you in both sales, marketing, and the establishment of your own business. This course is a very important training because modern day business education simply is very expensive, and it just doesn't show you how to start your own business and manage it on a day-by-day basis. If you want to learn how you can make more sales, whether you are in real estate, again, accounting, recruiter, sales professional, etc., this training program is going to make you more effective so you don't waste your time, you don't waste your money, you don't waste your energy, and you're able to close more sales, establish more working relationships, and generally do better with your engagements with clients. Okay? So all you need to do is click through on this video. We have an online-based training program to assist you in your sales skills, your marketing skills, and in the establishment of your own business. The one business consultation, actually, I ended up paying a lawyer about $700 to give me or establish a business for myself. So you are already getting a massive amount of value for a very reasonable price. If you take a look at our program, you're going to see all of the amazing content we have to give to you. It's premium content. We would typically offer this as a one-on-one consultation for anywhere between $1,500 to about $2,000 for a one-on-one session. Right now, you can get the entire course on establishing your own business for $495. That's right, your entire team gets access to the course for $495, available online and on your cell phone as well. So go ahead and register in the program, take a look at what we have to offer you. It's going to absolutely revolutionize your sales processes, your marketing processes, and assist you in your engagements with others. Thank you. And register in the course. Click through on this video and you get complete access to it.